Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today our topic is about time and we are going to understand the concept of AM and PM. In a day there are 24 hours and the clock is just showing me that there are 12 digits. So how I will understand the 24 hours of the day? As you can see, that is the time 7 o'clock is being shown on this clock, and I don't know that this time is in the evening or in the morning. So for that we are going to use AM and PM. AM stands for ante-meridiem, that is before midday, and PM post-meridiem, that is after midday. Now let's understand the concept of AM and PM through this picture. Midday or noon, they are both the same thing, and midday is the point when the sun is at its highest point. AM stands for ante-meridiem, before midday, that is this part, and post-meridiem, that is after midday. You can see after midday the sun starts to get low in the sky and eventually it will set. After that, in the evening, the moon and stars appear, and at midnight you can clearly see the moon. After midnight is the point of or the part of dawn. The moon will start to disappear and again sun will rise and again reach its highest point of midday. There are 24 hours in a day, so I have written 12 hours here and 12 hours here. And you will easily see that the numbers are repeating 2 times. So that means if I'm talking about 5 will appear 2 times in a day. 5 p.m. and that is 5 a.m. Now let's take some examples. You wake up for your school at 7 and that is in the morning. So I'm going to use AM here. And when you are in your home and you are watching television, 7 in the evening, you are using the word PM. At 10 o'clock in the morning, you are having your lunch in the school. And at 10 o'clock at night, you are getting ready for your sleep. That is the time of 10 p.m. So these numbers will repeat themselves 2 times throughout the day. And you have to use PM and AM to clarify which part of the day you are talking about. If we are talking about the afternoon, dusk, evening and night, we are going to use PM. And if I'm talking about dawn or morning, then I'm going to use the word AM. Now this is the summary of the 24 hours of the day. Starting from midnight to midday, there are 12 hours, and that is the time we are going to use AM. And from midday to midnight again, that is the time we are going to use PM. So this timeline is clearly showing you the 24 hours of the day. I have written these examples in the form of sentences. Let's start with this one. Zoo will open at 7 o'clock. This was the line written in the newspaper in the advertisement section, and when we went there, no one was there. So what happened? What went wrong? Because we did not pay attention to AM and PM. We went there and no one was there because we went in the evening, and zoo was to open in the morning. That was 7 a.m., not 7 p.m. Now Alex eats dinner at 8 o'clock. Am I going to write 8 a.m. or p.m.? Dinner. We take dinner at night. So I'm going to write p.m. John took a bus to school at 7 o'clock. Obviously our school opens in the morning, not in the evening. So I'm going to tick 7 a.m. I hope all of you understand the concept of AM and PM. I hope you like the video. Allah Hafiz.